Alright guys, this is part 2 of the video, and I just wanted to put flash on because it was just started getting dark outside. I used a 13mm socket. It's a medium wrench and with a long extension, and I already dripped out all the oil and I let it sit for about 10 minutes. And let's see if I can show you. And there you go. So I'm just gonna start putting this bad boy back in. Man, I should have gotten some gloves. This sucks. Sorry, one moment. Let me just get a rag real quick. Very unconventional rag. And of course, you know, you don't want to get it too tight, just because you're going to do this again eventually. So, you know, just a nice little snug turn, and it's good to go. That should be it, actually. Doesn't take much. And you don't want to do too much because you could just mess up the threading on the bolt. Just clean it up just a little bit, you know. These are painter rags, by the way. I got these at Home Depot, so it doesn't take much, just for kicks. Another quick turn, put a little bit of pressure to make sure I got that seal, and we're good. So now what we're gonna do is take off this little cover, and now we're gonna focus on the oil filter. I'm just gonna take this shit. There you go. Comes right off. Boom. Honestly, guys, this is really simple. Look, it's right there. Obviously, you don't want it to come into your face, fall into your face. So get that drip pan like real close by, and just imagine, guys, I had called the dealership and they were going to charge me $140 plus any additional materials that they needed to do this change, and it is a literally 20-minute do it yourself. You need just a jack. You don't even need a jack. You could get those little, forgot what they're called, but the little steppers, ramps, I'm sorry, the ramps for your car. They're like $40 at AutoZone. Probably cheaper at Sears or something, and you could just get that instead of a jack, and it'd be safer, and you could do this even quicker. It'd be more space to work with. So let me get onto this. This actually feels really hot, so I am going to get a glove. So what I did was got a glove, literally leather glove. It's reversed, but whatever. Probably doesn't hurt to be extra cautious. You know, these are high temperature fluids. You don't want this kind of crap falling onto your skin, especially your hands. Ooh, this is gonna be tough. I actually might need my regular hand for this. Let's see. I actually have a tool for this. Alright guys, so I got this little doohickey. This is actually made for oil filters. It's nice and short, as you can see. And just wrap it around there. Oh, my light went out. But just gotta wrap it around the oil filter just to loosen it up a little bit. And yeah, just loosen it up a little bit, and then just put on your glove back. I'll just back at it again, and I'll show you the next part.